Welcome back to the channel, traders. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to the revolutionary NeuralFX indicator. This cutting-edge tool is powered by AI technology designed to fetch high-quality signals for your trades. It's a non-repaint indicator, which means the signals it generates never disappear or change position. What you see is what you get. Plus, there's no lag and no delay in signal generation, ensuring you're always ahead in the market. Whether you're trading on the M5 or M15 timeframes, this indicator delivers efficiency and precision every step of the way. So, how does it work? When a signal appears, you'll see it pop up on the upper left corner of your screen. For instance, let's say we have a signal on YourCAD. To confirm if this signal is valid, all you need to do is check the indicator graph at the bottom of your chart. If the blue graph line crosses above the 50 horizontal line, that's your confirmation that the signal is valid. At this point, you're ready to take the trade. Now that you've taken the trade, the next step is to set your take profit and stop loss. Here's how you can do that with precision using TradingView. First, go to TradingView and use the long position tool from your entry point. For your stop loss, set it at the previous low from your entry. Then, for your take profit, aim for a risk-reward ratio of 1:1. This ensures you're managing your risk effectively while aiming for consistent returns. And that's how simple and efficient it is to trade using the NeuralFX indicator. With AI-driven accuracy, non-repaint signals, and an easy-to-follow confirmation process, this tool is perfect for traders looking to level up their game. If you're ready to experience this powerful indicator, click the link in the description to learn more.
Audio Jungle.